Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by protecting your data. Make a full encrypted backup to Finder or iCloud and confirm it completed. Once done, sign into Apple ID and enable two-factor authentication so you don't get locked out, then temporarily turn off Find My iPhone. Next, install and trust a low-level tool on your computer, Libimobile device, or equivalent, so you can communicate with the device. These steps ensure you can revert changes and that you have the necessary connection to begin safe file access. Now access the file system. Mount it read-only, then list directories and inspect file sizes and dates. Do not rush into deletion. You should focus on caches, logs, and user-installed package files. Avoid any path labeled /system or private frameworks. When ready, remount writable and remove one file at a time using terminal commands and sudo where required, confirming each deletion. Keep a running changelog with timestamps so you can backtrack. This cautious approach minimizes the risk of breaking system services. Finish by rebooting the iPhone and systematically checking core functions: Wi-Fi, cellular, camera, and key apps. If something fails to launch or the device won't boot, immediately restore the backup you made. If restore fails, perform a DFU restore via Finder or iTunes as the last resort. Make sure to re-enable Find My iPhone after recovery. If you cannot recover, contact Apple support or a qualified technician rather than attempting deeper removals. This single troubleshooting tip avoids.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.